Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another amazing video about Nexus DeFi. That's right, we've been down this road before. We got some good new news to share with you guys. If you want to see any of the older videos, go ahead and check those out. Hit our library, you'll find it. Just search for it. Let's dive in. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull channel, and I am not a financial advisor. I am never going to be. So if you've been here for a long time and something in you saying, hey man, he's going to be a financial advisor, you're wrong. I won't be. Ever. Not ever. I don't like doing accounting. So that's not my game. And I don't play the stock market like a broker. I like to talk about news. I like to talk about good investments, stuff like that. Good projects, awesome tech. Super amazing science, all that good stuff, crypto and the like. Down in the description, you can find everything I'm talking about in this video. That's where the links are. Go check it out. And you gotta hit that subscribe button, especially if you've been on here for a long time and you have not done it yet. Guys, it helps us out a lot. Hit up that family subscribe button and yeah, become part of the family. Also, if you like what you see at the end, click that like button. And since a lot of the stuff we put on here is time sensitive, guys, I would really recommend that you click that notification bell so you are notified every time we release a new video here on the Crypto Bull channel. Guys, let's talk Nexus DeFi. Oh yeah, all crypto, one app, total control. Nexus DeFi, guys, is totally redefining decentralized finance, and it's all in one super app that unifies trading. It unifies wallets, staking, NFTs, automation, and fiat ramps into one secure non-custodial platform. Yeah, say that 5 times fast. That's right. This isn't just a wallet or DEX. This is the operating system for DeFi, a single unified command center for your digital assets across 100 plus blockchains and 100,000 plus tokens, all without KYC. That's right. You can see here, this is live now. Totally interactive stuff. Oh, you can't. I guess it's not interactive, but it's live. That is a fact. Heading right over yonder. That's not what I want. Oh yeah, that is what I wanted. That is what I wanted. So guys, how can you buy it in 4 simple steps? Well, to join early, connect your wallet, obviously, and then you want to do that on the pre-sale page. You can buy NXS with ETH, SOL, BNB, or USDT straight from your MetaMask. Who knew? Or any wallet of your choice. Pretty cool when you can use anything you want. Let's talk about the end of crypto chaos, shall we? Well, this section says it pretty much all, guys. So remember, click on the links below. You're going to find what I'm looking at. And if I'm going too fast or I didn't get quite into too much detail on that specific spot, deep dive it, check it out. But anyways, this section definitely has everything you need. Nexus DeFi fixes fragmentation by merging trading, staking, yield farming, and cross-chain bridging into one simple interface with 0 fees. 0, guys. Aggregate liquidity from 100 plus CEXs and DEXs. Trade over 100,000 assets with optimal pricing and minimal slippage from one terminal. Like I said, you can deep dive this and check it out. You can consolidate staking, lending, and yield farming. You can deploy that capital in the smart vaults, transform digital collectibles into dynamic financial instruments, and cross-chain minting, and seamless flat on-off ramp with support for Vista, MasterCard, and bank transfers, plus much more. What else are we talking about? How about fair launching? A fair launch for a community-first ecosystem. Guys, you know how we at the Crypto Bull channel love our communities and our community-driven projects. That's why We love these guys because here's what makes it different. There's no VC, no team allocation. It's 100% community distribution, and half of the total 5 billion NXS supply goes to pre-sale supporters and the rest to staking rewards, CEX listings, and development. Pretty good stuff right there, don't you think? I think so. So, unifying a fragmented world. Well, what do you think I mean by that? So this is where Nexus DeFi spells out its mission. It replaces the 10 app chaos of DeFi with one intelligent, borderless, zero KYC platform. That's right. And guys, that NXS token powers everything. It gives you access, staking, governance, and fee reductions. Guys, you can stake to earn yield from real protocol revenue, vote on upgrades, and you can unlock gasless transactions and total AI features. I'm all about the AI features. Let's talk about some of that security, shall we? Your wallet uses MPC architecture, so private keys never exist in one place. Transactions are simulated before signing to stop drainer scams, and their Rug Radar AI audits tokens instantaneously, while DVPN plus ZK snark privacy layers keep everything private by default. You think that's cool? I do. A strategic path to decentralization, ladies and gentlemen. This roadmap of theirs rolls out in 3 phases. You got the foundation, the core D app plus MPC wallet plus exchange hub. You've got the intelligence layer, MEV bots, sniper bots, Nexus Copilot AI, and you got the full decentralization, community governance, and gasless execution via their own private L2. Super cool stuff. And speaking of super cool stuff, guys, they have some frequently asked questions. You can always check out anything I didn't say. If you're still confused, hit those up. Also, hit the comment section and ask some of those awesome people down there, the crypto bullers that are down there raging in a good way in that comment section. Also, guys, check them out on X, Telegram, and the like. They're on the big dogs. Of course, they are. On these channels, like always, you're going to be getting all your news right when it drops, and you're going to be able to talk to people that are in the same community that you are, and maybe make some new friends and hopefully a little bit of money. Guys, super cool. Trade 200 plus blockchains and 200,000 plus cryptos. No KYC. Super app with 100 token bridge, MEV sniper copy bot, secure wallet access. Bam. Oh yeah, love it. X. So speaking of all crypto, all app, total control, back to Nexus DeFi, guys. Yeah, I said they're on Instagram too. No, I don't think I did. They're on Instagram as well, and Nexus DeFi, guys, is the first true DeFi super app, and remember, it unifies every function, every chain, and every opportunity into one super amazing, intelligent platform. That's right. Guys, this has been my review of Nexus DeFi, or my re-review of the latest. You guys stay amazing out there. Stay super awesome. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay classy. Peace.